Good evening, children. Welcome back to the English class. Today we know about the new lesson grammar, the use of will, shall. When we talk about something in the future, we use will or shall with V1. So we learned V1 past present tense, V2 past tense, and then V3. So in this topic, so we talk about something in the future, we use we will and shall with a V1 verb. So here I shall go by train. So go is a V1 word, and then he will do his homework. They will come here tomorrow. So these all sentences talks about the future tense. So here we can use shall with I and we, but we use will with you, he, she, it and they. So children, we used shall for I and we, and then we used will for you, he, she, it and they. So here the V1 form of is, am, are, is, be. He is late, he will be late. And then I am late, I shall be late. You are late, you will be late. So here this is a V1 form of am, is, or. And then the V2 form of be is, was, were. So the V3 form of be is been. So here the be form of verbs we used was and were, and then in V3 form of be is been. So in future tense we used be to been. So they are late today. So they will be late tomorrow. So this is they are very late today. So we used are is a helping verb, and then we used it in future tense, they will be late tomorrow. They were late yesterday. So they have been late every day. So like this, for negatives we use not between will, shall and V1. So for negative we use not between will and shall and V1. So here I shall not go by train. I shan't go by train. I won't go by train. And then he will not do his homework. He won't do his homework. So here they use it in a short form of the will not, won't. They will not come here tomorrow. So here they won't come here tomorrow. Here we used the word not in between shall and then in between verbs. So here will not for short form is won't, shall not, shan't. So but we mostly use won't in place of shan't. Okay. Next year, see, this exercise. For questions we use will, shall before the subject. V1 comes after the subject. For questioning word we use will, shall before the subject. Here shall we go by train? Question mark it is. Will he do his homework? Will they come here tomorrow? So like this we make a questions by using the word will and shall. And then here for a negative questions, not comes after will, shall or before V1. So we use it here negative questions. So not comes after will and shall and before V1 verbs. Shall we go by train? This is a question. So we want to make a negative question. Shall we not go by train? Okay. And then shall not we go by train. Should or won't we go by train. Like this form we have to use it. Not comes after will and shall. Remember it. Will he do his homework? This is a questioning word. So we want to make a questioning negative word. Will he not do his homework? We have to add not after will he. So before the V1 form of verb. Will not he do his homework? Won't he do his homework? So this next exercise, complete the second sentence in each page. Today is Monday, tomorrow will be Tuesday. So same as she is 11 now, next year will be 12. Today is 13th of April, tomorrow will be 14th of April. This month is January, the next month will be February. Today is Sunday, the day after tomorrow will be Tuesday. So like this is very important. Mean for your examination. So please, I will send this first main notes, and then second main and third main, it is very heavy to write here in the time of examination. So please kindly cooperate with me and then complete your first main classwork in your fair book. Okay, thank you children.